I come over.
So hold on there. You know just reach her?
I know, but I still don't feel good. More of a lie down.
For 5. You know can go lie down in the room. Oh, yeah, moves.
Listen to me, sir. I don't want to send the wrong signal.
5. Nah, get no wrong signal. If you feel bad, you go lay down in the room.
I'm going to need Coca-Cola.
Five. You alright?
Yes, Winston.
No. You alright?
Yeah, me alright. You alright?
Yeah. Good, man.
What you think I feel?
Alright, you know. The pain still there, you know, but good.
You see what I got in scars though? You broke your finger and you not even know. Not a fear heal by itself.
That's how the thing go 5. A little rampings, you see it?
You see? That's the problem I have with you. How you look upon life. I just one of them things there. You're a big man, you know? I have to start take responsibility. You can't look upon things so.
5. Me hear what you say. I may not disagree. But life not as rigid as you look on it. Trust and believe for me, I tell you.
Me not say life rigid. Me just say how you look upon life.
But we still have to have fun in our life. We can't go on like say everything just serious up. Life not that serious, 5.
I understand what you're saying, Winston. But you have to know where your priority is. We are in a business together. So you say anything will affect you, affect the business.
So the little boxing you may play outside, I will cause a problem.
You know cause a problem to you? You know break your finger?
And God bless me with 9 more.
Oh! God bless you with 9 more. So go on back out, they go back 9 more time. And broke the next 9. Remember say, we are get old. We born not easy for setback here.
John, no.